Queríamos saber o que você achou da visita aqui ao Uberbrahman.
Yeah, the visit to Uberbrahman today has been very informative, very impressive, and as I said earlier to the owner, one of the owners, Aldo, the effort he's putting into genetic improvement and selection and breeding is as good as we have in Australia. Extremely impressive, and I congratulate the people here.
Bom, a visita, segundo ele, está sendo muito informativa e muito boa, e que ele parabeniza os proprietários, o Aldo pessoalmente, pelo excelente trabalho que tem feito com a genética de ponta aqui na propriedade, que é bem parecido com o que ele vê na Austrália.
Okay. And the reason why we were interested or indeed keen to come here is that Australia and Brazil share very many similarities in terms of beef production in the tropics and the subtropics. We have the same environments, we have the same challenges in terms of producing high quality beef in an environment that needs to be looked after, it needs to be sustainable, and it needs to be profitable. So we have the same environment, we have the same genotypes of cattle, we have Brahman in Australia, which are very important. And so coming here, the reason for coming here was to share information that can benefit Brazil and benefit Australia. So we have what we call in Australia a win-win situation.
O motivo deles terem vindo foi o grande número de similaridades que há entre a Austrália e o Brasil nas condições para a criação de gado, o mesmo ambiente, as mesmas preocupações com o meio ambiente, com a sustentabilidade, e veio para achar soluções que possam ser utilizadas tanto no Brasil quanto na Austrália para o melhoramento da pecuária. Any message you want to leave to Brahman breeders around the world about this relation between Australia and Brazil?
I think that the message is that we have perhaps the world's two leading beef exporters. Similar production systems, similar challenges, and we compete a little bit on the world market for different markets, but that doesn't mean that we can't share information and help each other with knowledge in terms of how you produce beef cattle sustainably, profitably, and into the future, and how we produce beef cattle. So even though we compete for global markets, that doesn't mean that we can't have a very strong and long-term relationship in industry exchange, student exchange, academic exchange, and researcher exchange, exchanging ideas and benefiting from each other.
Bom, ele disse que por ter tantas características similares, Brasil e Austrália, não é somente por competir no mercado de carne mundial, que os dois não podem achar um solo comum e benefícios que possam ajudar os dois na sua produção para aumentar a produção de ambos os países.